So for our DPA class today, our focus is going to be on safety. Not only are we going to be active and safe here in the classroom, we're also going to be active and safe in the hall. So what does safety look like when we are active in the classroom and when we are active in the hallway? How are we active but safe? So why don't you talk with your partner about what it looks like to be safe when we're moving around, whether it's in the classroom or in the hallway. Talking with a partner. After partners share their ideas, have students share their responses with the entire class. Consider writing correct student responses on poster paper for reference throughout the lesson. So now we know what it looks like when we are actively participating in a safe manner. Let's give it a try in our class. So we're going to do our warm-up called changing speeds. And what we're going to do is move on the spot in our desk space for 15 seconds at a medium pace and then 10 seconds as fast as we can. So we've already brainstormed some of the fitness activities that we know are safe to do by our desks. So that's what we're going to give a try. So push your chairs in, stand up, and let's do it. Okay, let's start marching. And march fast. And jogging. And jog fast. Now jumping. And jump fast. And twisting. And twist fast. All right, take a seat. So now we're warmed up, we're going to go in the hallway and complete our game skills circuit. So what we're going to do is divide up into groups. Each group is going to be assigned to start at a specific station. We're going to talk about what that activity actually looks like, any sort of safety that we need to keep in mind when completing that station. So what I'd like you to do is push your chairs in and let's line up at the door. So on my signal, you're going to get started with the circuit. We're going to be here for about 45 seconds. I'm going to prompt you, stop, point, and move, just like we've done lots of times before. So get ready at your first circuit. Don't forget your safety. Ready and go. Before beginning the circuit, review the safety considerations and station activities with students. Students will move from station to station, reading the card and performing the activity. Each station is performed for 45 seconds. On your signal, have students stop, point, and actively move to the next station. Stop, point, and move. 45 seconds, starting now. So don't get too comfy in those seats because we're going to get up and cool it down. But let me explain the rules. So the game is called Cool Rules. What we're going to do is use our same activities from the warm-up, but we're going to use them in reverse order. So you're going to stand up behind your seats in your personal space, make sure that it's safe. We're going to start off by twisting. So we're going to twist on the spot. I'm going to call out a rule or violation. And when you hear me call out a rule or violation, you're going to stop twisting and do our heel digs. Then we're going to start back to our next one, which is jumping. You're going to jump on the spot until you hear me call out a different rule or violation again. What are you going to do? Heel digs. So every time you hear me shout out a rule or violation, you're going to do heel digs, and then we're going to move up to the next until we are marching on the spot. Then we're going to do some stretches. So push your chairs in and stand up, and let's cool it down. Twisting on the spot behind our desks. Handball. And jumping. Out of bounds. Now jogging. Offside. And marching on the spot. Game over. After calling out game over, identify students to lead the group in a variety of stretches. Encourage students to stretch body parts used throughout the lesson.